One of the big things that we hear today is we'll just wait until interest rates come down. Here's the challenge with that. When interest rates start to come down, that real estate market and the competitiveness is very likely going to increase because there still is an overall shortage of houses in our country. So the supply and demand pendulum will swing once interest rates come down, and it is going to be even more challenging for buyers to once again compete. So today, even though interest rates are higher, remember that rate can be temporary. What's most important is that you get under contract, you be able to buy the house, and then at some point in the future, if interest rates come down, you can always look at refinancing and repositioning that mortgage rate. My goal is to provide you with important information for you to confidently make a decision and determine if this is the best time for you to purchase a home and meet your personal financial goals. If you'd like to see if you can qualify, reach out to us at 480-725-0150. We'd love to help get you on the path to homeownership.